Infiniti is turning heads at the 2025 SEMA show with one of its wildest projects yet, called the QX80 R-Spec. It packs a tuned twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter Nismo V6 engine from the R35 GT-R and a host of other performance upgrades. The tuned GT-R engine features Garrett G-Series turbochargers, JE pistons, boost line rods, ARP rod bolts, and ETS exhaust manifolds, with a Motec engine management system. Thanks to these modifications, the QX80 R-Spec now produces 1,000 horsepower. The upgrades extend beyond the engine compartment, as the QX80 rides on a custom coilover suspension that features IBAC ERS springs and rolls on bronze 24-inch wheels. They're joined by modified bump steer knuckles, a relocated steering rack with a custom steering shaft, and an electronic locking rear differential. The R-Spec has the assertive looks to match its improved performance, wearing a body kit that makes the SUV look lower and wider. It is influenced by the T-Spec Takumi edition that signaled the end of the line for the GT-R in 2024. The front bumper gains an additional lower vent to feed air to the potent powertrain, sandwiched between extra fog lights, while a sharp splitter juts out below. Beefier wheel arches and a lower ride height give the QX80 a sinister look, while the rear end gains a diffuser, huge quad exhaust outlets, and a protruding rear spoiler. Unfortunately, Infiniti doesn't show off the interior, so we doubt there's much changed from the standard model.